Hi, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
So we're here in adorable Lynn Haven. It's just north and attached to Panama City, but we're in town. And this beautiful little 3-bed, 2-bath home is perfect for a young family, or if the kids are all out of the house. It's perfectly located right off of Highway 77, right in the middle of Lynn Haven. You have access to the sand within 20 or 30 minutes. You've got Publix and Walmart, all the restaurants right here, so closely located for your daily convenience. Surrounded by great school system and all the things that you need for your family. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, split bedroom floor plan. You've got a great little backyard, and this kitchen is nice and open, leads to the dining, and you've got this expansive living room. I love the flooring. Check it out as you see the video. You've got tile in the main living areas, and you've got some great LVP in the bedrooms. This is perfect for a family. Or if you've got the kids out of the house and you're trying to downsize, you can't miss this one. If you'd like more information, look in the description below. You can click on the actual listing link to give you more details. And don't forget, subscribe to thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you know when our next house is available for your viewing. Talk to you later.